Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Sincerely Yours Hit Refresh Soothing and Hydrating Serum Mist. This product retails for $24. First product I am trying from Sincerely Yours. This is a skincare brand I've seen blow up recently at Sephora. I am trying the full line, so buckle up. Get ready because I'm going to be trying out all the products from them. Really excited by the cute packaging, the amazing nourishing ingredients in this product. It's a cucumber soothing mist. This seems to have amazing ingredients that seem to work well for my acne. I'm really excited to see what a refreshing mist looks like from them. I feel like it's a very unique first impression with the brand. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They utilize what they encapsulate as a barrier-friendly formula, utilizing encapsulated hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, ceramides, but also fruit extract, jojoba oil, and cucumber in this product. Very excited. They also do have an algae extract in this. Algae has been hit or miss with my acne-prone skin. Worked for me in some formulas, not worked for me in others. If you know you have a sensitivity to that or you break out from it, then definitely avoid it. Check out the full ingredients. You can click the link in the description, go to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Big things I'm going to be looking for include how does it perform, how does it feel on the skin, what results do I notice? Since it does have algae, I want to see if it breaks me out. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this product. I cannot wait to feel the texture of this product because it is, first of all, really cute packaging. From what I've seen, the mist is really nice. Wow. That travels the distance. It definitely is a very wide range to a mist. Has a really beautiful light cucumber scent, but I think that is all natural. I don't think there's fragrance in this. I do know algae is in this product, so I'm keeping that in mind when utilizing it, just to see if it will cause any acne. I'm going in with it on dry skin today. I'm gonna see if I prefer using it as a priming step, if I prefer using it as a final step, what I feel with this product. So here we go. Feels so good. This is so refreshing to the face. And it definitely gives a nice light glow. I'm more excited to see the soothing benefits with it because cucumber is a great, refreshing, depuffing ingredient. This is one of those face mists that I feel like I want to stick in the refrigerator and use right away in the morning to kind of refresh my skin. It feels really light. It gives a nice refresher to the skin and the texture is not sticky. It just feels very light and refreshing. So I'm gonna continue using it. That's about all I can tell you right now. I want to see if it breaks me out. I want to see how it continues to perform and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. This was a beautiful face mist and I enjoyed my experience with it, not only with the soothing properties that I saw, but it has a depuffing aspect to it as well. I've been getting into self-care recently and something about fresh cucumber on the eyes, benefits I've seen with depuffing with that. It has the same experience to me as that in a face mist form, which I really enjoy. I feel like the amount of ingredients that they packed in this product made it really stand out from some other face mists that I've seen on the market, but I do understand that it is a little bit more expensive for a face mist. I did notice that the mist was very fine, it spread very easily, and I didn't have to go through it very quickly. It is something that I feel like is more worth the long-term investment, but I will be providing you with some calming and hydrating face mist that could be an alternative to this. I do want to say I stuck this product in the refrigerator. It worked amazing in the morning, specifically when I was dealing with some puffy under eyes, just some puffiness in my face. I've been dealing with a lot of allergies lately and this product was really refreshing when I used it like that. You can also carry it on the go. It has a lot of soothing ingredients in here to complement the cucumber, to complement the barrier strengthening and hydrating ingredients that they include in this. I feel like they really took into consideration sensitive, sensitized, and redness prone skin with this product. And I also feel like they created a beautiful way to rehydrate the skin throughout the day. Now this as a hydrating face mist is not as special to me just because I know so many more budget friendly options. Geek and Gorgeous's Liquid Hydration is my favorite hydrating face mist for the best value. If you're wanting just a sole hydrating face mist that kind of leaves a similar finish to this, that's what I'd recommend going for over this. this or going for it before you get this, because it is a really deeply nourishing option. Utilizes a very simple complex, but still delivers the hydration benefits that this does. This is just a little bit more multifaceted than that product. I do also want to bring up Cocokine's Magnesium Mist because it is such a wonderful balancing, redness reducing, and acne fighting face mist for me. It is something that I feel like I would potentially recommend over this. I've got to use this a little bit longer just to see how it compares, but that has some more calming benefits that I feel like are really reminiscent of this product. But I have to say I've never seen a complex like this in a face mist before, so I do feel like it is really worth it. Algae wasn't personally an issue with my acne prone skin with this product, and I was very happy about that. It just gave such a soothing, luxurious feel to my face, and I can't lie, I will invest in this product. It is something that I saw more notable benefits with soothing my redness. I love the finish that it left. I feel like it's a great dewier face mist to give your skin a nice radiant glow, whether you want to use it as a priming step or a finishing setting spray for your makeup. You can really use it any way. There's no rules. You can also use it throughout the day. I just love the complex they have in here. I feel like it's a really standout product from this line, and I would 100% recommend trying it. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. And I will see you all in the next video.